get whatever I need. It's about love, 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 love. Long as we got love, love, love. Long as we got, should never give you my number. I did it with you. Should never let you hit it. I split it with you. I regret it. Got a fetish, you got a problem. Now it's a problem. Oh no. Skirt on beaches, don't know these features. Think skirt on beaches, do it for fun. Don't take it personal, baby. Love on my ladies, love to my ladies. Dated a few.
Why you bother me? Why you bother me? Why you bother me? Last time I checked, you were the one that left me here. Like my side, that's that most city, that side that you take around at night. You like to get me high, you know I know I'm Messiah. You like when I make fire, you say the flame can make you fire. Let me come inside you, let me plant that seed inside you. That's the this, only thing that's the whip. Only thing that was real, only thing I can feel you. So why you bother me, why you bother me? Tryna catch you real weak.
Love, 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 love. Long as we got love, love, love. Long as we got.
Stayed in the area, but you guessed it. Oh, yeah, I got you. Too bad I'm vibing, nigga. I'd be fine without you. Guess you found out all the other hoes wasn't about you. And now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Nigga, please. Ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me. Nigga, please. I don't wanna hear about it. You can tell your friends about it. About it. Tell them about it. What you know, what you see, oh, about it. You thought you was a nigga fucking bitches, now you wishing you was with me, living life so true. Even on your friend that I was cool with, they don't know that you be on that bullshit. Tripping, just don't push it. It's cool, I'ma focus on my vision. Girl, you only get one pass and you used it. You used it, amusement. So funny how you used to flex, how'd you lose it? Now you look so stupid, and it's so amusing. Your effort is so useless, and now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Your time being caught up over me. Nigga, please. I don't wanna hear about it. You can tell your friends about it. Tell your friends about it. Tell your friends about it. What you see, how I did it on the low. Go tell them niggas, tell them bitches, tell them niggas I'm just living. Nigga fucking bitches, now you wishing you were with me, living life so trill. Oh, what the fuck was you thinking? You probably wasn't even thinking. Oh shit. Now you gotta tell your friends about it. Gotta tell them how you fucked up on the inside.
whenever I visit Windy City.
Did I see?
No, 30 degrees, way to go. So only time.
All right, I just sprayed a little bit more spray right here on the front. But y'all, this is the finished look of the install from the wig from Arabella hair. What do you guys think? I love this style. I've tried colors like this before and I feel like this is just one of my signature colors. I love a good dark brown wig with like some subtle brown highlights. I love how they frame the face. They put more of them in the front so that way you can really see the highlights throughout the hair. They are distributed in the back as well and throughout the rest of the hair, like it goes towards the ends in some places. So I think it's giving like, I think it gives the balayage hair coloring style, you know. I feel like it's just regular brown highlights, but it's such a beautiful color and I feel like it's a really great color for fall, honestly. Like think about like the maroons, the olives, your burnt oranges. Like this hair is going to tie very well with those colors. You can also wear it glueless. I wore mine with a little bit of Ebin spray to keep it secure, but it comes with those little adjustable bands in the back as well as an elastic band so that you can make the wig tighter, so it's a tighter fit, and then you can wear it without any glue or any holding spray or whatever. It's your preference. You can wear it both ways. It is a full frontal. It comes bleached, which I really appreciate, and it also comes a little bit plucked. If you want it more plucked out, you want to have more of a thinned out hairline, you will have to do that because it is a little bit more full, but it is pre-plucked. But you gotta do more if you want it to be more thin. So you can see earlier in the video I did do a little bit more plucking to it just to thin it out a little bit more, but it really didn't make that too much of a difference. But so that's what I mean, like you can wear it straight out of the packaging like it is, or do your own customization to it. I have to talk about the lace. The lace is so thin and perfect, very easy to melt into your skin. I love a good thin lace. You can tell the difference between a thin and thicker lace. Like thin lace is going to honestly kind of rip a little bit easier, so you got to be gentle with it. It also melts into your skin a whole lot easier, better, seamless. I did use a little bit of makeup and stuff, but it melts into your skin so much better and it's so much easier to install in my opinion. It's nice and full. I love the length, the real true 26-inch wig. So you are going to have a nice density flowing through the entire unit, and yeah, I like it. No shedding, honestly, like no shedding at all, no tangling. Good quality human hair wig. So if you guys are interested in it, make sure you check out my description bar below. I'm going to have a direct link to this wig. Thank you again to Arabella Hair for sending over today's unit for me to review for you guys. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. If you aren't subscribed already, please subscribe. I really appreciate it. And if you are subscribed, thank you so much. I appreciate y'all guys. And that's all I have for you, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye y'all.
To the hotel lobby, me I go through underground garages.